Good afternoon, guys. It's been a little while. Since I've done a video on this profile of mine. But before I get started, I do want to say Happy New Year to all of you guys. Even though we're already in March, but Happy New Year to you guys anyway. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So, guys, in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about the Olsp system, what it entails, and why this would be a great benefit for pretty much all marketers as a great side income. Now, with the Olsp system, it's a series of tools that you can get access to help you grow your business. All right. So let me just close this out. One of the things that you'll see when you log into your back office is this particular pop-up that shows you pretty much different trainings that are coming up for that day or for the week. All right. Let me just close this out real quick. Now, inside of the back office, you'll get access to two free trainings, all right, from Wayne Crow, who was the designer of this system. First one you'll see is how I made 10 million in commissions, and then you'll get access to the commission hack as well, all right. You'll have a series of steps that you can complete, very short videos that you can watch that go over the system, welcoming you to the system and everything like that, all right. But let's get right into the system itself. So you'll have, like I said, access to different products that you can purchase from the back office of the system as well. You get access to the mega link, you'll get access to the list building and a magic link, you'll get access to the Facebook 101 training, you'll get access to TD pages, Comment Dominator Pro, and it goes on and on, guys. All right. Now, this is just one aspect of the tools that you can get access to and purchase. The other side, you'll discover more. You'll have access to other tools as well that you can purchase, all right? You have your vertical video, team builder, mega messenger, Olsp, elite, mega builder software, elite plus, a lot of different things that you can purchase, guys, and get access to through the back office, all right? Now, I'm not going to focus on these because honestly, I haven't purchased those particular tools. So I'm just going to go ahead and talk about the ones that I do have access to. Now, the mega link, which will be the link that's going to be in the description of this video, is pretty much where you'll start earning your commissions. Because with the mega link, what it does, it allows you to get access to not only the mega link, but the other different products as well that you can purchase from the back office. So everything in the back office that you can get access to, you can earn commissions on pretty much all of the products except for a select few. I'm not going to go over into the commission structure basically because I do want you guys to check it out and see for yourselves the power behind this system. But these two products are pretty much going to be what I want to talk to you guys about, because these products are pretty much going to help marketers in more ways than possible. All right. So with the mega link, let me click on that real quick. You'll get access to a link, which is just like this, basically your Olsp link. And you're pretty much just focused on driving traffic to that link, right? Getting people to join, letting them check out the system, check out the different tools that they could purchase that could help them, grow their business as well. All right. So pretty much everything that you need will be covered in those 5 videos there. All right. And you can also look at it in a PDF form as well. Now at the bottom, you'll be able to get help. You'll have access to a lot of different things here that you need to know. You can get information about the company, terms and conditions, and everything of that nature. You can also get access to the refund and cancellation policy, which I want to go over as well, but I'll save that towards the end of the video. All right, let me go back to the previous page. Now, what's great about this system is that it shows you how many commissions have been paid out to members in the last 24 hours, which, as you can see here, 1,100 commissions have been paid out to members in the last 24 hours. That says a lot. I have $22.80 in commissions as well that I'll be able to withdraw from when I reach the minimum balance of $50. So in order for you to get paid from this, you would have to reach a minimum of $50 to withdraw your balance. And I'm going to go over that really quick with you as well. So this system is very upfront, gives you a breakdown of everything that you need to know as in regards to your commissions, your products, and everything of that nature. Now, you see, you have to have a minimum balance of $50 to withdraw. Payments will be made the following week, but your balances are available for withdrawal after 30 days because that allows for refunds. This system does give refunds to customers within the refund cancellation policy, which I'm not, honestly, I haven't gone over that, so I'll leave that for another day. But you do have to wait 30 days to get paid, which is why I say this will be a great side system. And also, if you get a breakdown of your commissions here. So for me, I have Magic Link commissions from ranging from $60, 60 cents, I'm sorry, 60 cents, $1.20, $20.70, and 30 cents. Now, the Magic Link, it helps marketers in one of two ways. Now, I want to make sure I say this very carefully for you guys. The Magic Link with this particular system, you can earn on a per click basis, right? Now, you get your link and you could purchase traffic to that link directly from your back office, which would be right down here. You can buy traffic as well that's designed to help you earn with the Magic Link. Now, that's why I'm going to say that this is a recruitment optional option for marketers who don't want to go on social media and post about their business. They just want to focus on getting sales. Now, as I said, you can earn with the Magic Link simply by driving traffic to your link, buying traffic from the back office. But that will be, that'll be something that you have to decide if you want to do, because you do have to pay for the traffic to do that. All right. So there's that. You also earn on that as a front end tool as well. The Magic Link, you can purchase that for $7 as well, and you earn that $7. Same with the Mega Link. All right, let me go back to the dashboard really quick. I'll leave the Magic Link also in the description for you guys, so you can get a better understanding and see how that can, how that works. Because there's going to be a lot more that entails with that as well too. So let me click on that really quick. Now with this, right, you see you'll have your videos here. You'll have to get everything set up. You can get a done for you setup, which will be $47, right? You can have your funnel, your squeeze page set up, done for you automatically, have everything that you need to get started with that done for you. But again, with the squeeze page system that they're going to use is called TD Pages, which would be $47 a month. Now, of course, it's optional. It's up to you. I would say give it a try for the trial period and see how it goes. Right from there, you have an option to, of course, to cancel it if you don't want to keep it. After the 2-week trial that you get access to is up, you can cancel it, and then you don't have to worry about it again. But if you choose to cancel it, you're gonna lose your done for you funnel, which will be set up for you automatically when you pay for your $47. All right. Let me see. And if you want to see how that funnel is going to look as well, my link will be in the description as well, so you can definitely check that out too, and it'll show you how that's going to work. All right. You'll see same videos here. You'll have setup video, welcome video, autoresponder setup, adding the Magic Link, sending emails, getting traffic, things like that. Let me go back. You also have access to Facebook training, Facebook 101. Everybody's on Facebook, so this is definitely going to be vital towards your success as well on Facebook, getting access to this training and letting it help you get started with Facebook. I know a lot of people, a lot of marketers are familiar with Facebook, but this is actually an added bonus to help not only marketers, but people that are new to the marketing space as well, help them get set up with Facebook too. So you see, you have access to this training as well when you decide to become a member and purchase one of the products. Okay. Close that out. So like I said, you'll get access to a lot of different optional products that you can purchase. Or if you just want to purchase the Mega Link, you go ahead, purchase the Mega Link, go out there and promote it that way and earn on the back end. Meaning when someone purchases one of the products from, your back, well, not your back office, from their back office, you'll be able to earn commissions on that because they'll be tied to you as a customer. Meaning, let's say if someone purchases a Mega Link, right? They purchase that, you earn on that. But if they choose to purchase the Magic Link, you'll earn on that as well. If they choose to access TD Pages and purchase that, you earn on that as well. So you're able to earn passive income with this system, pretty much just by sharing the mega link with different people all around the world, people who join, who sign up, who see the power of the mega link and see the power of the different products in the back office. You'll be able to earn a percentage of that commission. All right. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. I didn't really want to make this video too long, but there is a lot to cover with Olsp. It is a great system. Only drawback would be the fact that you have to wait 30 days to get paid with it, which is why I say it's a great side hustle. But other than that, I can't really say that I see any kind of issues with this system. It's easy to navigate, easy to go through the trainings. Everything is laid out for you step by step in a video-based system. So if you have any questions, guys, you're more than welcome to leave them in the comment section. And just reach out to me, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions for you the best way that I can regarding the system. But that's it for me, guys. Have a great day. And again, this is my first video for the new year. So happy new year to you guys. And I will catch you guys on another video really soon. All right. You guys have a good one.